Good morning, Philippines. Beach Bum here. Andrea Good, say good morning.
Good morning!
It's Grace and Katrin.
Maligayang buhay! Maligayang buhay!
Wow. Okay, wait. Just want to show you the finished street now and the driveway. There's the finished truck again. There's Rocky. He's happy we're home. He's had a couple good meals now. Leftovers. We're gonna walk to the end of the street where the driveway was all torn up before we left for the beach. So I'll take a walk and show you the finished driveway. So I have to finish cutting people's grass today. I got this far before my lawnmower ran out of battery. So I have to do over here, and over there, and over here. Because nobody else does it. So here's the driveway, finished. You can see the color difference in the cement where it was torn up. And oh, the lock is not on here, so I can open it. All finished now, so the street's a lot wider. You can see the color difference in the street of what they did. This is our water line. Not moving very well, which means the water's not flowing. I have to tell Grace that because we've been having a problem with running out of water. They cut these people's step off. But you get the idea. The street's a lot wider. Everybody's speeding now. But they took out all those ugly drains and put in real drains. Before they were just open drains. Okay, you get the idea. I have to get to work and start cutting grass before it gets too hot. After like 8 a.m., it's too hot. But I do it anyway. No choice. This big empty lot is not ours. When we first moved here, we thought about buying it, but they wanted too much money. It's a Chinese lady that owns a hardware store here. She wanted 1 million pesos, $20,000. I thought it was too much, so did everybody else. But they don't take care of it, so I have to cut it. This is our lot here, but it's also a right of way to the lot behind us. And then Omar owns this right of way.
Come on. Push the open, come on.
I looked down there at the street where the water comes in. The gauge is not turning. So that means the water's not coming in. So who can you tell?
How do you know?
Because I looked at the numbers. The numbers aren't turning.
Oh.
Okay, that's it for now. Keep on watching. Give me a thumbs up on the videos if you like them. And I'll keep you informed when we go back to the beach. Okay, beach bum out.